This is a 20-watt USB-C phone charger. At the other end of this cable, I will attach a ZK4KX buck boost regulator with a 20-volt PD trigger. Now at this point, it's only pulling in about 12 volts because that's the limit of the 20-watt power supply I'm using. Let's put this back in normal mode. So it is currently off, but it's configured to output 12 volts at up to 1.5 amps. I think that is a good limit. You know, it's around 18 watts. That's a good limit for my 20-watt power supply. So before I turn this on, the output is connected to a cigarette lighter plug, which goes to a 1,000-watt inverter. Now, obviously, I'm not going to operate this at 1,000 watts because it would overload the power supply. But even at about an 18-watt limit, you'll see it is able to boot up. So I'll turn this on. So now it's outputting 12 volts. Now I'll turn the inverter on. And now it is humming along at 4.4 watts. It's pretty good. So now I'll turn this LED lamp on. I think it's like 10 watts. So there you go. You can use a dinky little phone charger to power your small 120-volt devices. And it is really key to have a buck boost regulator in the middle, because if you saw with it struggling to start up, it basically kept tripping the limits of this thing instead of tripping out the power supply. So basically this is able to smooth out the gasps of breath as the inverter wakes up and tries to get lots of current. But anyway, if you want to power things from one of these, I guess this is what you have to do.